check.
So don't be so focused.
We in the basement, trying to make it back up.
Hey guys, it's Amanda. What's up? I hope you're all having an amazing day. I'm very excited to be doing this video because I know it's one of my most requested videos. Whenever I ask you for video requests, the #1 video request is always to do 2000s hairstyles, and I definitely don't consider myself someone who like does hairstyles often. Like I know sometimes in my Instagram pics and shit, like I'll have some sort of hairstyle, but like I don't seek out hairstyles to then like recreate. Like I don't really do much to my hair is what I'm trying to say. So getting all my shit together to film this video was definitely the reason it took so long. Now we're doing it. Okay, if you do like these Y2K 2000s videos, definitely subscribe to my channel, bitch, because it's all I do, okay? It's all I do. I think this is like my second hair video I've ever done. So I didn't really know how I wanted to go about this. I was watching some on YouTube to get some inspo, and I think I'm just gonna show you the photo of the hair I'm gonna recreate and then kind of talk you through it while I do it. And if you like the way this video is, let me know and I can easily do another one. And yeah, okay, we're gonna hop right in. The first hairstyle that's so easy and definitely something that I just like do even when I'm out of the house if I initially leave with my hair down is the claw clip, either ponytail or twist. So I'm gonna show you both. I have a variety of different claw clips. I usually gravitate towards these two because they're longer and they just allow for like a wider grab. I don't know how to explain it. And then I have this really cute one that's like a bow, but it's so small and it doesn't really do much for my hair. The first way is like if I'm really just like out and about and my hair is really bothering me because it's too hot, I just do a simple twist like that. This is kind of like the ponytail version. So you let your hair just like flop out on top. I feel like it's cuter if you bring down some front pieces. This hairstyle wears well because pieces fall out and it just becomes a little bit more casual and like effortless. I often just have these claw clips clipped onto my bag so I can use them whenever I need to. Another variation is to do the twist one I was talking about. I'm just gonna go in and kind of brush down the top of my hair to make it more slick, and then I do use a ponytail and just secure it at the nape of my neck. I grab it, twist it, and then I keep this part under the ponytail and bring the rest on top, twist it like this, and then I pull this up so that there's a bit of like spiky action. Clip. Because my hair is textured, I honestly don't love the way this looks in my hair. I feel like if you have straighter hair and it just like falls a little bit better, like it looks cuter. But I do this if I'm in like a rush or something and I just want my hair up. Okay. I'm gonna be recreating this hairstyle. So I'm gonna be parting my hair on the side and then slicking it down to create that like side swoosh. For this, I'm gonna be using this parting. I honestly don't know what this is called. And then I'm also gonna be using this Eco gel with my very dense brush. And then I also use a toothbrush. This is like my #1 hair tool. I'm not even kidding. Especially because I have really crazy baby hairs like right behind my ear type thing. I always just like out of the shower slick them down with this. Even if I'm like not doing a hairstyle, I always use this every single day. Right now, because my hair is dry, I'm gonna be using some water just to like, you know, make it easier to part my hair. These are like my go-to hair tools. I don't really have much else. The gel I would use if I was actually wearing this hairstyle out is this Gorilla Snot Gel. And it's so strong, like the hold is insane. The only thing I can use if I'm actually trying to have my hair like not move for the whole day. What I'm gonna do is part my hair. I'm definitely a middle part person. I'll like really randomly introduce a side, like this is not it, but I'll randomly do a side part and then I'll remember like, bitch, what the fuck? It is not my vibe. Two inches from my forehead, do another part because this hair I'm gonna slick back to go into like the bun moment. Honestly, I'm gonna tie it because I don't want to have to worry about it going into the part I'm gonna slick back. and just brush up. My hair is like freshly clean, so it's a little bit fluffy, and I don't know if that's good. Normally I don't do this on fresh hair. I'm gonna take my spray bottle. This thing is so clutch, I'm not kidding. Like, I cannot do my hair without it. And then I'm gonna go in with the Eco Gel. And I'm actually just gonna use my toothbrush. I feel like my hair is not as crazy, like flying around as it normally is, but I just wanna be able to slick. My baby hair is back a bit. Because I have a bit of like curls down here, I'll either gel them, like slick them up, or I'll spray them with water and then add some leave-in conditioner to have them curl, but I'm just gonna slick them up right now because it's kind of easier. Brush some of this back into it, keeping some of it down and then having it still go up. Tying off the front piece and gelling the rest of your hair makes it easier to do this rather than doing this as you're trying to gel up the rest of your hair, because it just kind of pulls it all back and doesn't keep the part. I'm gonna tie this off into a ponytail. I'm actually gonna just do a messy bun. This hairstyle definitely works a bit better if you have some curl in your hair. So if your hair is not naturally wavy or curly, then maybe you want to do, like, honestly, even just like crimp some pieces. You can just kind of tell that she has some curls sticking up. I could definitely take out more pieces, you know, and like play with it to make it a little bit more exact to the picture. But this is generally the hairstyle. And I love this side part with the updo. I don't know if I've ever done this, and having like my little wavy pieces hang out is really cute. What really makes this hairstyle 2000s is the front swoosh. You could easily do this into a braid, into a ponytail. If I was doing this to go out, bitch, there would be Gorilla Gel used. It would be very like perfect. But because I'm about to do another hairstyle, I'm not gonna slick it down, but I'm gonna show you how I would do this in a ponytail. And I would definitely put it at a higher point on my head and bring some of the front pieces further back. I'm actually gonna use this comb and take out this piece. I'm just gonna tie this off and then go in with my toothbrush and a bit of water to kind of adjust the way the front looks. Sometimes you have to tie it and then adjust it afterwards, just because it's so hard to get your hair to not be pulled back. After putting it into the ponytail, I'm gonna actually take a piece from underneath and use this to wrap around my hair tie. This is such an easy thing to do, and it honestly makes a really, really big difference, especially if you have like lighter hair and the hair tie is black. The next hairstyle I've actually done one time before this. I did it and I filmed a video and I did not like the way it turned out. So I'm gonna try it again and do it a little bit differently. There's two buns on either side that kind of have hair left out that just spikes up, and then little braids on either side with a zigzag part. Okay, so there's a lot of components. The part starts in the center of your forehead, and then first I'm angling it to the right, and then I'm gonna do the same angle to the left. I'm gonna spray the top with some water just because I need to flatten it. Okay, that is absolutely perfect. So this is the zigzag part, and then what she has in the photo is the 2 braids coming from either end of the zigzag. So I'm gonna pull out a couple pieces from the back. Pulled out these 2 pieces, which I'm gonna braid afterwards, and these kind of just frame your face. The rest needs to be in a middle part with 2 little space buns. This might take me 20 minutes, so I'll be back when I've parted it straight. What I'm gonna do is tie off this section into a pigtail so that the other side I can really slick back without grabbing any hair from over on this side. Since my hair is like got some wave to it, I really have to like spray the back and then make sure it's slick. I'm gonna tie it off into a ponytail and then do the little bun afterwards, just because I wanna make sure I have them even on both sides. Okay, so this is one side done. I'm gonna spray this side and do the exact same thing, pulling it into a little pigtail. So I'm gonna put my hair into 2 little buns and leave out probably like 2 inches of ends, just so that I can have it spike up. Obviously my hair is not straight, so it's not gonna be as spiky as hers. It's gonna be girly. Just used clear elastics to tie off either one. I also left like a reasonable amount of hair unbraided. I feel like it'd be better if I straightened my hair and had it more spiky, but I've done buns like this before. I think it's just with the braids that it is like a lot going on, but I don't hate it. But this is definitely a different hairstyle. Like when would I ever just pull up with this, you know what I mean? This looks like it takes a lot more effort than it actually does. This is like the ultimate 2000s look. Anything with spiky hair and then also having these front pieces is very early 2000s. So if you're wanting like the epitome of a 2000s hairstyle, it's definitely this one. Let me know if you like it. Those are all of the hairstyles I'm gonna do for today's video. I genuinely am dying of heat right now because my air conditioning does not work and I have to have my fan off and window closed while I'm filming this, so I might actually pass out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm down to do another hair video. If you want me to do a voiceover in my studio, like let me know what you guys want to see. This is definitely like an intro to the hair videos that could be, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and this gave you some inspo, and I'll see you in my next video.